Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the Porsche Taycan fast in Forza Horizon 5. The only way to truly unlock its speed potential is through a complete engine swap and comprehensive tuning. You'll need to replace the stock electric powertrain with a high-horsepower internal combustion engine. Then, meticulously upgrade and tune every aspect of the car to dominate the competition. This approach transforms the Taycan into a formidable racing machine. To achieve top-tier speed, begin by swapping to the powerful 2-liter V8 engine. This provides a massive boost over the original electric motor. Next, add a twin turbocharger setup to maximize horsepower output, pushing the car's limits. Don't forget to install race tires for superior grip and a full race drivetrain to efficiently transfer all that power to the road. These are foundational for extreme performance. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Forza Horizon 5 content. On another note, quick recommendation. If you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once upgrades are complete, precise tuning is crucial. Adjust your gear ratios to balance quick acceleration with a high top speed, finding that sweet spot for every race. Fine-tune the suspension settings to enhance handling and maximize tire grip through corners. Finally, optimize the aerodynamic downforce to ensure stability and control, especially when you're pushing the Taycan to its absolute limits on the track.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.